Have you ever pulled up to a gas station but instantly went blank on which side your fuel tank is located? Or perhaps you have seen that tiny arrow beside the fuel gauge but never cared to wonder what it's for. What if those small details could prevent you from struggling at the gas station? Let's dive right in. Number 1. Fuel gauge arrows. Next to the fuel gauge is always a small signal that looks like a gas pump. Next is an arrow. The arrow indicates which side has the fuel tank, which makes it easier to know without leaving the car. This subtle but important detail can be helpful when one is refueling in strange areas or on busy roads. To one's surprise, this isn't new. Number 2. Drowsiness and distraction detection systems. Various manufacturers talk about driving fatigue differently. With other brands, they alert the driver by using loud beeps and driving drowsiness indicators displayed on the dashboard that capture attention. Although this feature is immensely helpful in improving driving safety, eye-catching features tend to appear only in high-end models or as optional features. These aspects are probably among the most useful and possibly even more helpful than the above-mentioned features. Number 3. Hidden storage. Jeep has mastered the art of sneaky storage, and it's an entertaining and useful feature in its vehicles. For the last 9 years, nearly every Grand Cherokee has had at least one hidden compartment, but Jeep never actually comes out and says where it is. Number 4. Crumple zones and safety cells. To look at a mangled car after a wreck and know that the driver escaped uninjured may appear to be strange. Nevertheless, there is some clever engineering behind it. Crumple zones enable many drivers to survive a wreck with just minor injuries, even if the front of their vehicle is severely crushed. Initially used by Mercedes-Benz in the 1950s, crumple zones are now a feature of every car on the road. Number 5. Remote key fob special functions. Key fobs have some secret features that most drivers do not utilize. A less noticeable function is mirror folding. While some cars do this automatically when locked, others require manual activation through the key fob. Holding the lock button on certain GMC, Chevrolet, or BMW models will fold the mirrors, while newer Honda models require an extra press and hold. Remote start is another handy feature found in many modern vehicles. Some key fobs with a circular arrow button allow remote engine start, but even cars without this button may have the function. For instance, BMWs require 3 quick presses of the lock button. Key fobs offer even more hidden functions beyond these, such as car summon, remote parking, and a concealed mechanical key for emergencies. Many drivers aren't unaware of their key fob's capabilities, so checking the car's manual can help uncover valuable tricks that make driving more convenient. Up next is another little-known car feature that might surprise you. Number 6. Emergency shift button under the gear. People with automatic transmissions have to contend with a few drawbacks, one of which is that putting the vehicle into neutral gear is impossible if the battery dies. This will leave the car stuck and in an inconvenient position. Luckily, most vehicles contain a concealed emergency switch, also termed a shift lock button, that enables the shifting to be done manually. This button is normally situated near the gear shift and has a small cap that hides it. It can be assisted with a key or screwdriver. When pressed, the gear is able to shift into a neutral position. In some vehicles, the button is situated under the cloth cover of the gear shift. This tip will assist you in not spending money and time towing unnecessarily. Number 7. Night vision. One of the most high-tech features cars have today is night vision. A car equipped with night vision features is safer to drive at higher speeds at night. This technology uses infrared sensors and thermal cameras to identify objects in the dark. The range of visibility depends on the type of night vision. Active night vision can reach up to 600 feet, while passive night vision can extend out to 1,000 feet. Unfortunately, this advanced feature is common in luxury cars like BMW X5, Audi A8, Rolls-Royce, and Mercedes S-Class. However, there are aftermarket works that would allow passengers to modify cars, even regular ones, to have night vision features. Number 8. Color-coded engine components. Every car part has a specific color designated to it as a means to quickly identify it. Manufacturers label caps that are liquid containers, such as oil caps and coolant caps, yellow, blue, red, and green for easy identification. Drivers who easily identify the liquid caps and know what they do can avoid unnecessary garage trips. However, suitable fluid cap identification comes at a price. Number 9. Adaptive cruise control. Old cruise control did have one huge drawback. It couldn't adjust for changing traffic situations, but it's now installed on about 92% of new cars sold in the United States, albeit often as an option. Though most drivers relish its benefits, fewer understand its disadvantages. If you made it this far, welcome to our channel. Become a loyal member and subscribe, and hit that thumbs up for the algorithm. Number 10, fuel cap holder. Almost every car comes with a fuel cap holder, yet many drivers ignore it. Letting the cap dangle while refueling might not seem like a big deal, but it can cause serious problems over time. When the cap hangs from the tether, it can scratch the car's paint and expose the fuel tank to dirt and debris. Placing it on the roof or trunk isn't any better, as it picks up grime that can enter the fuel system. These contaminants may clog fuel injectors, strain the fuel pump, and even lead to complete engine failure. This expensive repair could cost over $3,000. Avoiding this issue takes just a couple of seconds. Number 11, Emergency Braking Assist EBA. Even though this system has existed for more than 10 years, many drivers do not use it to its full capacity. Research indicates that almost 90% of drivers fail to press the brake firmly enough to trigger it, thus rendering the feature less than it could be. Number 12, Indicators of road conditions. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration estimated 156,000 accidents per year on icy roads. Developing simple to advanced safety features in vehicles has been one of the easier ways to mitigate the problem. One of the aids is a frost warning light, which indicates the outside temperature with an incandescent snowflake on the dashboard. The light changes from red to yellow with decreasing temperature. A Volkswagen frosts at 39 degrees Fahrenheit, while a light Toyota freezes at 37 degrees Fahrenheit. With Volvo's connected safety system, a step further than a frost warning light, multiple vehicles can relay real-time data and alert drivers who are headed down the same path of treacherous, icy conditions. Number 13, Conversation Mirror. Watching over young children's riders without ever looking away from the road can be a tremendous asset. Newer SUVs and minivans with 3 rows of seating have conversation mirrors installed as standard, which enable you to keep an eye on the second and third row riders. Most drivers appear to be unaware of the mirrors. The mirror is tucked inside the sunglasses holder above the rearview mirror in models like the Honda Odyssey and GMC Yukon. Other notable cars with this feature are the Highlander, Sienna, and Pilot. If you wish to explore safety features further, the best ones are yet to come. 14. Warning of change in traffic signal. Intersections controlled by traffic lights and those with stop signs are some of the operational areas for vehicles that are regarded as the most hazardous, contributing to almost 40% of vehicle collisions. Many people overestimate the signals or become inattentive, which causes crashes. To solve this problem, some cars are now equipped with traffic signal change information. This smart technology alarms the driver about the coming signal change by flashing a warning on the car's onboard display. Audi and BMW are leading the way, with models like the Audi Q7 and A4 and newer BMWs equipped with operating system 8.5 offering this function. Number 15, Backup Mechanical Key. Every key fob includes a backup mechanical key, which can be a lifesaver if the key fob or car battery dies. Many drivers overlook this feature, but it provides a simple way to unlock the car when the electronic system isn't working. A small button on the top of the key fob releases the mechanical key. To access the car, locate a small hole beneath the driver's door handle. Number 16, Anti-glare features. For aged, night driving is somewhat of a major task. That is why latest vehicles now come with digital mirrors instead. These are not mirrors in the usual sense, but digital screens that show live video feeds from a rear camera, meaning there is no glare. Adaptive headlights are another game changer. These smart lights adjust in their own depending on the road conditions. Easy Fill Tire Alert. While nobody wants to inflate a flat tire, Nissan steps in to ease the burden with the Easy Fill Tire Alert system. Introduced in 2008, this feature removes all the guesswork involved in filling car tires. Instead, the car lets you know the correct amount of air pressure and fills it automatically. It is very easy to activate this system. The vehicle should be parked with the parking brake engaged. Switch off the engine, leave the ignition on, and start filling the tire. That concludes this list of secret car features. Hopefully some of these surprised you, or at least provided you with a better appreciation for the little things automakers add to enhance the driving experience. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you're interested in learning about awesome car features, driving tips, and secret tricks, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell icon so you never miss our new videos.